So PubMatic has been an early supporter and evangelist of Prebid.org. We built our offering, OpenWrap, as an enterprise solution for Prebid.js. So we're really behind the open source technology. We're really behind Prebid as a standard for the industry to build all wrappers around. And Prebid.org, what that allows is for collaboration amongst the different ad tech companies, right? So you have some leaders in the space like PubMatic, AppNexus, and Rubicon driving the innovation, and Prebid.org gives them this environment where we can collaborate openly. And for publishers, there's a huge benefit in that it drives the innovation in a direction that advantages publishers. And plus, it also allows publisher an avenue to join the conversation with Prebid.org, because publishers are, the idea is to get collaboration from publishers to have them contribute what they need, their pain points, their engineering resources, and really grow this as an industry standard to serve the community. Rather than a proprietary solution that's really looking to serve the interests of like one vendor.
So tell us a little bit about the roadmap for Prebid and sort of how pervasive it is and where you think it will go or hope it will go in the next 12 months.
Sure. So Prebid as Prebid.js, it's really become like the de facto standard of header bidding and wrapper technology. You have companies such as PubMatic building their solutions on top of Prebid.js and bringing enterprise services and tools to this this open source wrapper. You also have Rubicon, AppNexus. So it's really starting to mature as a standard. And what that's going to allow is for the technology to progress in a way that allows other formats which haven't been as pervasive with header bidding, such as in-app and video, to provide them that technology and provide them that avenue so that those publishers and those developers can start exploring header bidding. So it's just really about driving innovation and collaboration amongst the industry to grow programmatic.
What are the challenges to getting this more fully deployed?
Sure. So I think there is a period of education. So header bidding as a technique has really come into its own in the last 2 years. But within that 2 years, it's really upended the industry. And as soon as people started getting comfortable with header bidding and client side, where all the auction dynamics are happening on the browser, there was this move to server side. So there's this continual growth and this continual leapfrogging in the technology. And publishers and ad tech companies, they're in a different spectrum of knowledge and expertise. So there is this period where we're trying to get out and evangelize around wrappers, around open source in particular, to bring people up to speed. So in the next 12 months, I think we're really going to start to see the process start to mature. Everybody's going to start to coalesce around a shared set of best practices and a code of conduct that will allow for header bidding to happen on an equal and level playing field. So it's exciting where it is now. I think we're at this point of where we're at the tipping point. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens next.